welcome back to my channel. Now today, hi, as you guys can see. Now today we're going to be going to the Royal Ball. Now, if you look at the thing right here at the top, you might see the time. If you see right to the top, I can't know if you guys see that. You can see it's breakfast time. So now I'm gonna pause the video and scootle all along to the mall. Now I can jump it, so we are gonna make it the Royal Ball in just 1 second. Let's go. Oh my god, I just did it. Look at the 6 o'clock afternoon. I'm ready, as you can see. I've already gotten ready here. So super happy. Like it's I'm already ready for it. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, let's go. Maybe we should do an experiment. I love doing experiments, so this should be fun. Whoa. Ew, she's I don't want to say, you guys can just read it. I will say in the comments. Now, let's take the hair dryer before it turns 8. Now let's go into the showers. On. Hair dryer is going on. Oh, God. Okay, I gotta reset character. Yes. Okay, let's go to the Royal Ball. I'm super duper excited. Like, this is the first time. I don't know if you guys actually have ever been to the ball. So yeah. Let's go and wait right in front of the ball, so I will be the first. Oh, I need my crown. Yes. Now, I want this right there in front. I got my crown. That's my crown. I don't know if you guys would, but like, if you're watching this, I beg you guys to please comment down below if you like my outfit. Like, if you don't, just please don't say anything to me, because like, I don't want to, get ruined about it. Anyway, back to the game. Now, so we will be waiting right here, right in front of the ballroom. I'm super excited. Oh, the thing I don't want to say about, so you can actually see what I'm playing. Let me just into the name. Okay, I don't know if you guys like. I don't know. You guys have to see it and tell me in the comments if that is like. Where's me? No, that's not me. No, that's not me. No, that's not me. No, that's not me. No, definitely not me. Definitely not me, guys. Definitely not me. Where the heck am I? Oh, I'm right here. But then I forgot to see something. I love pretty excellent. Now, guys, if you are watching this video and you have played with me, and if you guys are playing and you are one of the viewers, please vote for me and tell me in the comments So yeah, it's nothing. Please vote for me today. I beg you guys. Oh, certainly. Now, I'm very bad at dancing, but this should be good. Let's go. I do actually know the rules, so I really don't have to read them. Let's go. Now, you guys can be watching my arrows, but like, I don't know how to zoom in, so like, you guys can't see. I'm actually losing a lot because like I'm really well, bad at this game. So people are like watching us do it, but like I don't think this is cool. Okay, so we lost. We lost. Oh, I did 22 hits. She did 23. I did OMGs. Are you guys seeing this? Like, I've done 22 hits. She's done 23, so one more than me. And I've done 16 misses, which is one more than hers, because she's done 17, so it's really cool. So, yeah, let's cross that place out. Now, what do I want to do now in the box? Oh, obviously, I want to eat because I'm very hungry. I did not have my breakfast. I didn't have lunch, but I still want to eat. So, now, guys, this video will be ending. So please watch and don't leave. Okay. Anything, just stop. One of the waiters just. Oh, there, he just stopped. Care to try a mac and cheese by AKIRA 101? Yeah, that's me. I saw you from across the room and thought you would like to just thought you look like just the kind person who knows the quality food when you see it. I promise the cheddar used in these bites was extra sharp, so your taste buds will surely be delighted. I would obviously take one because I love mac and cheese. Thank you. Yummy, that looks so delicious. Oh, that's me over there eating as you can see. Now, who do I want to vote for today? Oh, yes, I really want to vote for her. She looks very nice. Let's vote for her. Yes. Vote Jesus in your name. Now, I won't vote for her or any guy because, like, that's pretty weird. Now, I will vote for her, of course. Yes. She's looking pretty nice. So I'm done voting. Now, if you don't vote me, I will kill you. So now, if you don't vote me, I will kill you. Definitely, because like I want to be voted. Doesn't everyone? Oh, these people are winning. Literally, nobody ever votes for me. I am never voted. And that's not nice. I've always wanted to be voted. But then nobody wants to vote me. What do I do? Girl, cause like I kinda wanna think that this ah, 2 more minutes and then the ball will be over and I am leaving because this video will be soon over. Now, I have to say it now. I'm just gonna say I voted her because I voted you. Well done. I voted you well done. I'm actually pretty happy for Lucy because like I actually did vote her. She looks pretty pretty. So I've got to vote her. So yeah. Okay, so she doesn't want to say anything. I'll just go to CJ and tell her, um, girl, you gotta give the throne to the winner, whoever she is, or he is. Girl, you gotta give the throne to the winner. Now, I am very bad at this typing thing because, like, I go like going fast in my videos, so my fingers just go like. It was just a joke. I'm sorry. Now let's see this. Okay, so this is pretty weird. They're dancing? Okay, so now I'm gonna do my own dance. Ah, where am I? This is a very big. That girl I voted for just now, I know that looked really weird, and I know there's only like 1 more hour left for the ball, but I think this video has reached its end because you can actually see the time at the top. It's like 11 and there's nobody here. As you can see, everyone's in their rooms or the girls, like people are like talking over there on my spouses. But I don't want to join them because maybe they're doing a silly talk and I don't want to join silly talks because I like doing good gameplays, not silly talks. So I'm just going to read. I knew him since my dad had me. Um, Okay, I am definitely leaving because like I don't want to join crazy people. Um, so okay, so bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys liked it, then please subscribe and like the video. Bye. Subscribe, like, yeah. Okay, let's try that again. Bye. Subscribe. Bye. Oh, bye, subscribe, bye. And I think I'm gonna leave because it's already 12 o'clock as you can see, so I think it's time to leave. Oh, um, this was all private. You guys did not need to see my recording studio. Okay, I think it's